have no fear. I'll be right there. Just pay your dues, my friend. Oh, drop, drop, come to meet my patient. Oh, drop, drop, come to meet my patient. Oh, drop, drop.
It's KZSC Santa Cruz, Joy in the Morning. Some real foundation oldies but goodies right here. I come up here with just kind of a random crate of all kinds of vintage reggae vinyl. I'm really into the 70s roots. Well, all the different eras. Every once in a while I'll throw on one of these old Studio One things and just start going off in that direction. So some real oldies here. Starting back there was that Freddie McKay Mop and Cry 12-inch. We heard after that Philip Frazier with 2,000 Years. All these digging through a pile of original 7-inch 45s, those little records with the big holes in them. After Philip Frazier, we heard I, Roy with Roots Man. Leroy Smart and the Aggravators on a version there called Love Version with the distinctive King Tubby's sound in there. And then going back for some oldies, Dennis Al Capone on a UK label, ethnic fight label, Pressure in a Babylon from Dennis Al Capone. Another one of these UK only 45s, a lot of music that was recorded in Jamaica ended up some on Jamaican release, and a lot of things were released only in the UK on some of these labels. This is a Trojan 45. Actually, this might have been recorded in the UK. Some of it was also. But anyway, Brother Dan All-Stars, an instrumental called Eastern Organ on the Trojan label. An oldie from the Maytals on the Jaguar label. That's called Redemption Song. And a classic group from the Studio One era, the Tenors, doing a big tune back in the day, Pressure and Slide. And then a more updated, different 45 bringing us the version right here. Joy in the Morning. We've got reggae music for you here on Thursday mornings. I'm JT. Whole Foods Market will be hosting a bike drive for Alafia's Bicycles for Education. Alafia is a premium skin body care company that makes skin and hair products with shea and coconut butter from Togo. They're fair trade and promote empowerment and gender equality in Togo. One of the ways that mission comes alive is through Bicycles for Education. Alafia will be collecting used adult bikes and bike parts on Tuesday, June 26th in the Whole Foods Market located on Soquel Avenue. For more information, call 426-9901. KZSC thanks Cohabitat for helping make this program possible. Cohabitat Custom Building Contractors is a Monterey Bay certified green building company. They design and build new homes and business structures that are energy efficient and healthy to live in and proven to have the least environmental impact. You can reach Cohabitat Custom Building Contractors at 831-915-4881 or online at mbaycohabitat.com. Feel no pain. I'll be back again. And you can stay in touch with Reggae Vibes all year long on KZSC. Tuesday mornings, 9 to noon. All Fruits Ripe puts the old school roots classics next to a crate of new releases. Every Thursday, 9 to noon, reggae moves forward with more roots and dancehall from Jamaica, the Virgin Islands, and beyond during Joy in the Morning. And Saturday nights, when you need it the most, tune in for the deepest roots rhythms and the sweet sounds of lovers rock on Strip